I've added some quarter panel windows, and that keeps, for the winter, that helped keep the heat in, along with my Polaris Ranger rear window. That's almost like it was made for the YXZ. So I know a lot of you guys are in a quandary about the cooling that aren't duners. This is for trail people. You have a front windshield and you have the overheating problem above 50 miles an hour, and everyone says take your radiator cover off, and some of you guys are resistant because it looks ugly. So here's my solution. I bought a I think this was 60 bucks on Partzilla. I've cut out the top, and this is the center divider I talked about before. So, you know, in those mornings where it's still brisk, I can take that off. I still get a little bit of heat. Now keep in mind my fans are reversed, but our last ride, it was a hot day. So, and I've already tried this. And that blocks off a good portion of the heat, especially when the fan's running. So, I don't know if I'll paint this or not. But that's my interim solution. I might make this a little more refined, where I have a piece in here that slides up. Oh, I still have the original piece I cut out that I might use to cover this in the winter when I need really full blast heat. Here's how that block off looks from the front. But that's that. Let me go over the repinning of the wiring harness. So use your fan connectors here, and I used to have a harness where I can put a plug in and it will reverse the direction, but I'm reversing my fans full time, so I just repin them. So I'll show you that in a minute. So if you're going to change the direction of your fans, then getting a harness works. But if you're going to do what I do and leave your fans reversed full time, just repin your fan connectors, and it's pretty easy. You need a pin, and there's a tab. So you have the two prongs here, and then you have your one retention clip. So there's a plastic tab in there that you pry back, and there it comes out. And then you hear it click, go back in, do the other side. See how easy that was? There you go. So just reverse your polarity to reverse your fans, and it's pretty easy. So this is my radiator cover mod. My fans are fully reversed. So this is in heating mode. If I want cooling mode, I'll fine tune this. Maybe put a push rod versus this strap, and I'll adjust the length of this to where, it has a sufficient flow, but it's not blocking my rear view. But this piece is a divider that I've just cut out. I'm using that to block off. Here we go. Block off heat coming into the forward cab, and obviously you need a rear window to help that goal. But then this heat can come out the back for summer riding, and when I want to have heat in the cab, this helps push the air forward and it's just as if you had your normal cover. Obviously, this isn't pretty, but you know, it works.